I'm looking for places on the tobacco that are big enough to make like a rolling paper router. So anyway, I got a little bit of water on my hands because the leaves are really dry. I let them dry out too much, so I'm gonna make my hands damp. That helps to spread it out without tearing it. I want them really easy to roll too, so the moisture will help. Otherwise, they'll just crack and break. So this one doesn't look too bad. Some of them were so dry. This isn't too bad. I'll just cut it off at the end and use that for the others, for the stash to roll into the papers. I'll just cut that off. And cut it off on this end too. Whoops, see, now I don't want that. Yeah. One of the problems I had is that the leaves are so small. See, I don't want to tear that. It feels like it might tear. So I'll just get a little water on my hands. Yeah, just pinch it in. Yeah. And that'll do it. I'll find all the leaves I can that are big. I've got so many small leaves, I'll be doing a lot of hunting for leaves, little or big leaves. Throughout all those little leaves. Looks like I got a few so far. I'll show you what I got so far. Here's what I got so far. And it's crude. I haven't like cut it into squares yet, but this is big enough, I'm pretty sure. I'm going to try it out and see. I just moistened this yesterday. Still a little dry. So I'm going to add a little moisture in it. I think I'll trim it up a little bit and get it ready for some cut tobacco. Right. Excuse me. So it worked. I'm going to glue it now. Okay, so I got it glued. I just got a piece of paper I cut here, and I'm going to roll it in this little paper. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I don't want it to come unrolled. Let's see here. I got a crease in the paper. The paper's doing weird stuff. But anyway, usually they roll up round, but this one's kind of weird. Oh, it's got a seam in it. But anyway, I'll do this again, but just roll it up and I just set it under the side of the plate. That one's not working, but if I had a piece of paper that didn't have a seam in it, then it would work. Where is this seam? What in the heck's going on with this paper? There it is, right there. There's a seam. Okay, well, I won't use a piece of paper with a seam in it. So anyway, I'm going to get a better piece of paper. I'm going to roll this up and set it aside so it'll be ready for later. You have a wonderful day.